I am sure great world Distabot school service. The owner is limited model Distabot. For age of the project. The project uses an Arduino board and the algorithmic method to measure distance by calculating the time taken for the signal to travel object and back. The system processes the data in real time and displays the distance on the serial monitor or LCD, providing a practical solution for applications like robotics automation and output prediction. Components used in the product. Arduino board, ultrasonic sensor, motherboard, and the LCD monitor. Arduino is main board is used to get inputs from the ultrasonic sensor and the ultrasonic sensor spreads the ultrasonic wave and when also this interpret the wave will send back to the Arduino board and the distance will be calculated. How is it? Trigger feedback. Send the pulse to the ultrasonic sensor. FOP receives a reflected pulse. Pulse is used in the code measures the time taken by the input to the return. Distance calculation. Using the formula based on the time. The formula is distance equal to time into speed of sound given by time. Now we will do the object content.
Hi, I'm Nitish from grade 12 of Arista Public School, Cuddalore. Our project Distabot is a sustainable development goal based project. Exactly sustainable development goal number 9, which is for industry, innovation and infrastructure. It is the goal of this SDG is to build infrastructure, promote sustainability and support small scale industries. Key targets of this SDG was to develop sustainable economic growth, support small scale industry, enhance research, expand internet and communication all over the world. Arduino motherboards are affordable and multi-purpose motherboards which can be used for multi-projects. Challenges and limitations of Arduino board in the calculating distance. The main challenge are the challenges with sensor calibration. Sensor calibration fails in case of inconsistent weather or temperature change. Power consumption. Battery power supplied Arduino boards stopped. Utilize lower power than other type of nano boards. Software challenges. Real-time processing. The Arduino motherboard shows a lag in case of continuous usage. Error handling. Zero errors will be inconsistent. Communication. Remote Coordinate applications. In autonomous vehicles like drones and robots, sensors calculate the distance to surrounding objects, enabling the system to avoid obstacles automatically. For instance, ultrasonic sensor can be used to measure the distance from the nearby object to avoid collision. Improve the efficiency of transportation system and could eventually reduce the number of accidents caused by human error. Level sensing in tanks and silos application. Agriculture, oil and gas water management. Distance sensors are used to measure the level of liquid or solid material in tanks, silos, or reservoirs. The sensor calculates the distance to the surface of the liquid or solid, sends the data to the monitoring system and triggering alarms when levels are too high or too low. Helps in automated monitoring, preventing overflow or shortage, and optimizing resource used in industry like agriculture, chemical manufacturing, or water treatment plants. Fourth, distance-based security system application. Distance sensors can be used in security systems to detect the proximity of intruders or movements around a building. For instance, ultrasonic sensor can detect motion, while laser sensor could be used to monitor entry points such as windows and doors. Improve safety by triggering alerts when someone enters the restricted area. Measuring and monitoring air and water quality application. Environmental monitoring system. In environmental monitoring device, sensor can be help measure parameters like water levels in rivers, lakes, or reservoirs, or to detect the distance between the sensor and the pollutants in the air. For instance, a sensor could be placed in a floating platform to detect water levels in real time. Improve monitoring of environmental conditions, allowing for early warning of floods, water contamination, air pollution, helping policymakers take action before it's too late. I would like to say that the Arduino project is successfully sensor is successfully functioned, but still it has some impurities, such as sensor calculation like temperature effects, power consumption, real-time processing lag in the Arduino motherboard, error handling such as zero entries. These challenges have been optimized in future.